Hope everyone's having a good week. I've got a new brand to introduce you to today. So Ike Behar. Ike Behar, New York. So I think they are a little bit more well known for shirts and ties, but they are making shoes now. And so I'm happy to review and reveal a pair of these to you today. So this is the Brett model loafer. And these are handmade, but I do not know. So nice shoe bags. This definitely looks like a hand-painted finish on these. Really love the patina on this. It does not tell me if this is a Goodyear welted or a Blake stitch. Now I'll tell you, just based on the thinness of the sole and the lack of kind of a visible welt on the outside, I would say that this looks to be a Blake stitched model. It is pretty firm though for a Blake stitch. So either way, I do believe that this is a stitched sole versus a cemented sole. Even a little bit of a patina on the sole. I hate to walk on it almost. But yeah, really a beautiful hand-painted finish. I do not have a loafer style like this. So yeah, pretty excited to try these out. But yeah, just look at the finish on those. Really love the variation in tone. So looking forward to checking these out. So I'll have some posts coming up soon showing these. And I'll let you know about the sizing and things like that a little bit more after I've had a chance to wear them. And I'll link to the company on the page as well. But yeah, Ike Behar, looking pretty good so far.